Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and I love this toothpaste by Himalaya. I've been using it for a while now, and I think the ingredients in it are so good. Okay, so I love the ingredients, but not just that. I really like the consistency of the toothpaste. It's nice and smooth. It doesn't have like a gritty or grainy feel to it. It doesn't scratch my teeth or leave any type of a residue in my mouth at all. I love that this is free of things such as fluoride, carrageenan, gluten, things that I prefer to keep out of my toothpaste. I like that the actual flavor isn't overpowering or too strong. The flavor is a nice minty flavor. It keeps my mouth feeling fresh all day. You can see that I'm almost finished with this tube of toothpaste. I've been using this brand for a few years and I really like it. I love to drink things that would be known to stain your teeth, such as coffee, but using this toothpaste every day helps to keep my teeth nice and white. I would highly recommend this one by Himalaya. The peppermint flavor is great. I love it, and that's my point of view.